Parvat Pradesh में Pavas. Parvat means mountain, Pradesh means area or region, Pavas means rainy season. So it means rainy season in mountainous region. This is the poem from grade 10 Sparsh textbook. So I'm seeing you all after such a long time. I hope you are all are happy and healthy. I'm here to improve your level of Hindi. So let's seize the day. पर्वत प्रदेश में पावस. Rainy season in mountainous area. Okay, the writer is Sumitra Nandan Pant. Sumitra Nandan Pant was born in year 1900 and he passed away in year 1977. He mainly fond of environment and he had special feeling for environment. In this poem also he is speaking about the environment. In this video I want to make you understand the summary of the poem and also how to write the explanation means vyakya of the stanza given. So let's start. The poem is पावस ऋतु थी पर्वत प्रवेश पल पल परिवर्तित प्रकृति वेश. Now the word meaning. Pavas ritu, Hindi meaning is Varsha ritu and English meaning is rainy season, as I told you before. Parivartit means badalna, to change, to transform. Prakriti vesh, prakriti ka roop, English meaning is the form of nature. Let's start with prasang. This prasang you can write for any line given from this poem. प्रस्तुत पद्यांश हमारी हिंदी के पाठ्य पुस्तक स्पर्श भाग 2 से लिया गया है. इसके कवि सुमित्रानंदन पंत जी है. इसमें कवि ने वर्षा ऋतु का सुंदर वर्णन किया है. Means this line or this poem has been taken from our school textbook Sparsh part 2 and its poet is Sumitranandan Pant, and in this poem he has described about the beautiful rainy season. Okay, and here comes the vyakya. कवि कहता है कि पर्वतीय क्षेत्र में वर्षा ऋतु का प्रवेश हो गया है, जिसकी वजह से प्रकृति के रूप में बार बार बदलाव आ रहा है. अर्थात कभी बारिश होती है तो कभी धूप निकल आती है. Let's see the English meaning now. The poet had described the nature in this poem in such a way that it seemed the nature has come alive. The poet says the nature of nature means the nature of nature is changing. Every time the nature gets changed. Not only every time, every moment in the rainy season. Sometimes it rains and sometimes the sunshine comes out. So it keeps on changing. The last two lines was very easy to understand. Let me tell you here, it's very important to understand the poem clearly. Then the learning of the question and answer becomes very easy. Let's see the next stanza. मेखला आकार पर्वत अपार अपने सहस दीर्घ सुमन फाड़ अवलोक रहा है बार बार नीचे जल में निज महाकार जिसके चरणों में पला ताल दर्पण सा फैला है विशाल. Okay, let's see the word meaning. Sahars, Hindi meaning is hazar and English meaning 1000. Dig Suman. Dig Suman Hindi meaning is Pushp Rupi Aankhein. And if you see in English, it means flowers in form of eyes. Aulok, Dekhna, to see. Mahakar, Vishal Akar, huge structure. Talab, Tal means talab, that is pond. Darpan, Aina, that is mirror which reflects the image. Okay. Prasang, you have to write name of the poem and name of the poet. So now let's see the Vyakhya, means explanation. इस पद्यांश में कवि ने पहाड़ों के आकार की तुलना करधनी अर्थात कमर में बांधने वाले आभूषण से की है। कवि कहता है कि करधनी के आकार वाले पहाड़ अपनी 1000 पुष्प रूपी आंखें फाड़ कर नीचे जल में अपना विशाल आकार देख रहा है। ओके, पर इस पद्यांश में इन दिस स्टैंजा तुलना मीन्स कंपेयर. Kardhani is a jewelry which people wear on waist. Okay, mostly ladies wear on waist. It's a abhushan, means jewelry. And Mekla Akar, the poet is using similarity. Similarity with what? Similarity with the jewelry you usually wear around your waist. Okay, that you tie around your waist. So the shape of mountain is compared or described as the jewelry, that is Kardhani. Okay, if you see, basically Kardhani shape is like capital letter A. Okay, the A-shaped mountain is expanded. Apar means expanded. Okay. कवि कहता है कि करधनी के आकार वाले पहाड़ अपनी 1000 पुष्प रूपी आंखें फाड़ कर नीचे जल में अपने विशाल आकार को देख रहे हैं. Means thousands of flowers have bloomed on mountain, and this mountain now with the eyes, eyes in form of flowers, is looking at, what it is looking at? अपने विशाल आकार को देख रहा है. Due to rain, the water has been collected in the valley. The poet sees this as the feet of mountain. So the water is collected under the feet of mountain, and now this is acting like a mirror, aina, that is mirror, and the mountain is looking at its own image in the mirror. The mountain is looking at the huge image of itself. So thousands of flowers growing on the mountains seem as if mountains have eyes, and they are looking at themselves in the mirror like pawn spared by their feet with the help of these eyes. Got it? Looking at themselves in the mirror like pawn spared by their feet with the help of these eyes. Got it? 3. गिरी का गौरव गाकर झरझर मद में नस नस उत्तेजित कर मोती की लड़ियों से सुंदर झरते हैं झाग भरे निर्झर. गिरिवर के उर से उठ उठ कर उच्च आकाशाओं से तरुवर है झांक रहे निरव नभ पर अनिमेष अटल कुछ चिंता पर. Let's see the word meaning now. Giri, pahad, that is mountain. Mad, masti, in English, excitement. Jhag, fain, that is foam. When the water falls from a high level, the foams we get, okay, that is fain, jhag. Ur, hirday, that is heart. Uch akasha, ऊंचा उठने की कामना, that is desire to raise high, desire to go further. Taruvar, पेड़, that is tree. Nirav nab shant means shant akash, that is quiet sky, calm, quiet and calm sky. Animesh, ek tak, that is continuous staring at. Okay, let's see the Vyakhya now. Vyakhya means explanation. As I told you, prasang same as it is. Okay. इस पद्यांश में कवि कहता है कि मोतियों की लड़ियों के समान सुंदर झरने झरझर की आवाज करते हुए बह रहे हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है कि वे पहाड़ों का गुणगान कर रहे हैं। वो पहाड़ों का गुणगान कर रहे हो। उनकी करतल ध्वनि नस नस में उत्साह अथवा प्रशंसा भर देती है। ओके, लेट्स मोतियों की लड़ियां। मोतियां मीन्स पर्ल्स एंड लड़ियां मीन्स चेन। मोतियों की लड़ियां मीन्स chain of pearl. So poet compared the foam which is created when the water falls from high level. So the foam is created, right? So this foam poet compare as the pearl, and now the chain of pearl is formed. And now when this chain of pearl is falling down, that is water is falling down, it is creating a melodious sound. Okay, so poet consider this sound as a gungan kar rahe ho, means they are praising the mountain. Okay, and this melodious sound that is known as kalkal. In Hindi we call as kalkal. So this kalkal sound creates happiness and excitement in our vein. Let's see the next part. पहाड़ों के हृदय से उठ उठ कर अनेकों पेड़ ऊंचा उठने की इच्छा लिए एक टिक दृष्टि से स्थिर होकर शांत आकाश को इस तरह देख रहे हैं मानो वो किसी चिंता में डूबे हुए हो। अर्थात वे हमें निरंतर ऊंचा उठने की प्रेरणा दे रहे हैं। हृदय मीन्स हार्ट, ऊंचा मीन्स हाई, इच्छा मीन्स डिजायर, एक टिक दृष्टि मीन्स continuously staring, stir, movementless, shant, as I told you before, quiet, calm. Okay, so that means the trees growing on the mountains are looking at the calm sky as if they are trying to touch it. The trees are in deep thought and having high desire. Okay, the poet says, giving us the inspiration to raise high in life. उच्च आकांक्षाओं से तरुवर. उच्च आकांक्षाओं means what? उच्च आकांक्षाओं means the desire in our life, okay, or you can say ambition of our life. So here we can understand what the poet wants to tell us. The poet is asking us to be just like those trees, those trees stand still and tall in your ambition. The poet is asking us to be just like those trees, stand still and tall in your ambitions. You should always be ambitious in your life. Let's see the next stanza. उड़ गया अचानक लो भूधर, फड़का आपार पारत के पर, रवशेष रह गए निर्झर, है टूट पड़ा भू पे अंबर। धस गए धरा में सभ्य शाल, उठ रहा धुआं जल गया ताल, यूं जलद यान में विचर विचर, था इंद्र खेलता इंद्रजाल। See the word meaning. भूधर, पहाड़, mountain. This is पर्यायवाची for mountain. पारत के पर, हिंदी मीनिंग इज पारे के समान ध्वल एवं चमकीले पंख. पंख मीन्स विंग. Wings similar to the mercury. Okay, as bright as mercury. रवशेष, केवल आवाज का रह जाना. Only the sounds remain. सभय, भय के साथ. With fear or due to fear. शाल, एक वृक्ष का नाम, name of a tree. जलद यान, बादल रूपी विमान, that is vehicle in form of cloud. Plane in form of cloud. विचर, घूमना, to roam around. इंद्रजाल, जादूगरी. It is magic or magic trick. Okay. Let's see the Vyakhya now. But before Vyakhya, let me tell you about the Prasang. Name of the textbook, that is Pash. Name of the poem, that is Parvat Pradesh mein Pavas. And name of the poet, Sumitra Nandan Pant. And here you can mention one line that this is all about the rain in the mountain region. Okay. Let's see Vyakhya. इस पद्यांश में कवि कहता है कि तेज बारिश के बाद मौसम ऐसा हो गया है कि घनी धुंध के कारण लग रहा है मानो पेड़ कहीं उड़ गए हो अर्थात गायब हो गए हो. Now let us see the explanation. Due to heavy rainfall in the mountainous region, suddenly the Bhudar, that is mountain, flew away. Means it has vanished, it disappeared. It flew away with the wings which is as bright as mercury. It looked like as if you cannot see the mountain anymore. ऐसा लग रहा है कि पूरा आकाश ही धरती पर आ गया हो. केवल झरने की आवाज ही सुनाई दे रही है. प्रकृति का ऐसा भयानक रूप देखकर शाल के पेड़ डर के धरती के अंदर धंस गए हैं. Means now what remain is Nirjar, that is the stream sound, the sound of waterfall. So Bhumi, Dharti, that is earth or land. It looked as if the sky is fallen over the land. Now the poet says that after the heavy rain, the weather has become such that due to the thick mist or fog, it seemed as if the trees have fallen down or they went under the ground. They are hiding. Okay, they have disappeared. It seemed that the whole sky has come down to the earth. Only the sound of the waterfall is being heard. Seeing such a terrible form of nature, the shawl trees, they went under the ground due to fear. Okay, let's see further. चारों ओर धुआं होने के कारण लग रहा है कि तालाब में आग लग गई है. The fog looks like smoke, due to which it seems that the pond is on fire. Everywhere is fog. So due to this image, as if the pond is on fire, the pond is burned and the smoke is coming out of it. Yes. ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऐसे मौसम में इंद्र भी अपना बादल रूपी विमान लेकर इधर उधर जादू का खेल दिखाता हुआ घूम रहा है. So the god Indra in his badal rupi viman, that is aeroplane shaped cloud. The poet is saying that he is sitting in his badal rupi viman, and so the poet is saying that the Indra, the god of rain, is sitting in his cloud shaped plane and roaming here and there, seeing the game of magic. This is the end of the poem. If this video was helpful to you, please share with your friends and other students who are in. This is the end of the video. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.